Okay, the new version of Edge built into Windows 10 Creator Update has a numerous number of new features. The first one we're going to cover is the Epub Reader. So first thing I'm going to do is go out here and find some Epub books to read. So if you go out here and you search for free Epub books, there's plenty of places out there. One of the best is the Gutenberg.org, which is Project Gutenberg. We're going to click on that. And you can browse categories and see all things going out here. Make sure you check out the terms of use and what's free and what's not free. But we're just going to go ahead and go up to the, instead of clicking on one of these books, we're going to go look at book categories, stuff like that. You know what? Instead of that, we're going to just go ahead and do a search. I'm going to search for Edgar Rice Burroughs. For those of you who don't know it, that's the author of Tarzan and the Princess of Mars and John of Mars and those things. So there we are, all the books, some of the books he wrote that are available. We'll go ahead and, not Tarzan, we'll go to Gods of Mars. Anyways, the point of it doesn't make any difference. We're going to go to Princess of Mars. So if we go ahead, you can see you can download as HTML, EPUB format with images, EPUB with no images, Kindle with and without images. You can also download to Dropbox, okay, or to Google Drive or OneDrive. So I'm going to click on OneDrive because that's what I use. And it's going to go out here to OneDrive, and it wants it to go ahead and access my OneDrive. So once you say yes and all that, and it'll say, oh, it has been sent to OneDrive, and you say OK. Now if we go over to OneDrive, it may be hard to find it because everybody's folder different, so it just puts it in the root directory. The easiest way to do is type in a few characters, and there it is. There's the Princess of Mars. At the bottom, you'll see down here it says you want to do, what do you want to do with it? Open, save, or save as, whatever. But we're just going to go ahead and open it for reading. So once you open it for reading, you'll see that you may have that black bar at the top. If you don't, you just click somewhere in the document and you'll see it. But before we go up there, if you click anywhere, you'll see you have a slider down here, which you can slide to any pages, and jump ahead tells you how many % you are into the document. So with that, let's go back up to the top, and you can see you can change the text size, or you decrease it. You can also, the width of them, close together they are. You can also change the font to whatever you want, and then you can change the background color. You can have a certain reading. You might want the off-white, for example. So then you can go over to the left and you can sit there and say, oh, I want to click here, and it'll show any bookmarks you make. So you can go anywhere in the document, right click on that, or you can go to the chapters here and find chapters if you want to find where to skip to or skip back to. Now I didn't click on it here, but there's also a search, so you can search for certain things in there. It's a little, in a book about the same subject, it's a little ridiculous to use maybe, but it's available to you. So after all that, maybe you don't want to actually read it. Maybe you want it read to you. So in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the three icons. The middle one is the Read Aloud. So when you click on that, you'll go into the reading mode.
Great tusks or utter his fearful guttural warnings. Denied the friendship and companionship of my kind. I had developed considerable affection for Wu.
Now, as you can tell, the reading is not that great. I mean, it's okay. But by the way, you can go ahead and change your speed here to the speed you like. You can also choose different voices. There's 3 voices in the one I have, which is David Mobile.
Talking in my newly acquired Martian tongue as I would have to my hound at home. As I would have
and then I go in and do the Mark Mobile,
among the lower animals,
which I like the best.
And
we can also go back to the female voice if you want to as well. So there it is, the new Epub Reader functions. You can read any EPUB book and actually have it read to you as well, right from within Edge.